So this great little riff is called Iron Man and it's by Black Sabbath. Now this is another quick little win that you can do. Have you got your masking tape and stuck it down the neck and written your numbers on the guitar? That will make learning this one much easier. So let's get started straight into it. We're here on fret 3 like we were for Smoke on the Water. We're going to press down. Now a little note on pressing down I want to talk about is that I'm using this part of my finger for these riffs. So I'm not necessarily using the fingertip. Now we use fingertips more for chords, but for these riffs we can be very lazy and almost like press down like this. We don't need to be pressing down like that. Okay? I just want to make that as a note. I think that'll be useful for you moving forwards. Now we're going to go 3, 6, 6, 8, 8. Okay? Now once again, you've got the tab to this, so that just means it helps you know the numbers. And we are moving around a bit more on this one. 3, 6, 6, 8, 8. And then once you've done that, take your middle finger and put it on fret 11. Now you may have 2 white dots on your guitar or something to show you where fret 12 is, so it's just 1 down from fret 12. And then you're going to go 11 with the middle, index for 10. So you're going to go 11, 10, 11, 10, 11. I'll do that again. 11, 10, 11, 10, 11. 6, 6, 8, 8. Let's do that very slowly. 3, 6, 6, 8, 8. 11, 10, 11, 10, 11. 6, 6, 8, 8. Again. One final time with me. Another tip when you're moving around like this, going up and down the neck, is instead of like going and then lifting up your finger and then lifting up your finger and doing it, try to keep your finger so that you can feel the string slide underneath your finger. You can feel it rubbing against your finger. 3, 6. It's totally fine to do that and stay in contact with the string. It's actually better for you to do that than keep lifting up, because you're more likely to make a mistake. So keep the finger close. Okay, now a little bit of homework. So you can do the Smoke on the Water, the first riff. You can be playing your E chord. I want you to know that E chord off by heart. And then you can play this riff. That's a nice little 10-minute practice. I'll see you for the next lesson.